When you need to update software of Edge, it can be processed via Garmin Express. Here's how. First, connect your Edge to a computer with a USB cable. Please make sure the computer has installed Garmin Express. Next, open Garmin Express. Select Add a device. Garmin Express will start the search for your device. When your Edge shows on Garmin Express, select Add Device. Click Sign In to enter your Garmin account. Enter your email address and password. Give your device a nickname so you can quickly recognize it in your list of products. Select Next and click Next again. This is where you will see all available updates for the device. If you can see the Install button, it means your Edge is up to date. Then select Install. Click Accept. You will be guided through the update process step by step. When the process has done, your up-to-date message will show up. Disconnect your device from the computer. The 5-folder update is now in your Edge. Please select Install Now to complete the whole update process. And that's it. For more details, subscribe to the Garmin channel or click another video to keep watching.